So we have similar kind of Hamiltonian, and we are supposed to find eigenvalue and eigencaps, but only this term is now changed a little bit. So let's try to see. Okay, so as usual, we are defining an eigenstat. Is this where we have identified psi as the linear combination of these two. Also, let's say this. So when H operates on psi, what do we have? Is H11 is 1, there is one psi which we are calling alpha, plus there is H22, 2 psi we are calling beta, there is H12 is 1, 2 psi, that will be beta, plus 2, 1 psi will be alpha. All of this is equals to E psi. Psi is our alpha 1, beta 2. Right? Okay. So we put together the states 1, that would give us alpha H11 plus alpha beta H12 1 plus beta H22 plus alpha H12 2. This is E alpha 1 plus E beta 2. Okay. So when you compare the coefficients, what do we get? We get one equation, is alpha H11 plus beta H12, which is E alpha. Another equation, beta H22 plus alpha H12 is equals to E beta. Okay, fine. So from equation 1, we try to fix beta. So beta is equals to E alpha minus alpha H11 divided by H12, or we can write it as alpha E minus H11. Okay, so when we plug this beta in this equation 2, what do we get? Right, okay, so we can multiply all the sides with H12 and let's see what we get. So we have alpha E H22 minus alpha H11 H22 plus alpha H12 square is equals to E alpha E minus H11, right? EH1 2 cancels on both sides. Okay, so what do we have now? Yeah, EH22 minus alpha H11 H22 alpha H12 square minus E square alpha E alpha H11 equals to 0. Okay, alright. So if we rearrange these terms, what do we have? Notice we have alpha everywhere, so we can always take it out since it's not equals to 0. So we have minus E square plus E H11 plus H12 square minus H11 H22 plus E H22 is equals to 0. Yeah. You can take the negative sign, and that will be E square minus EH1. Yeah. H11 plus H12 square plus H11 okay, square plus minus plus minus EH equals to 0. Write this as E square minus E plus H12 plus okay, so this looks like ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, right? Where x is e and abc are these constants. So what will be the roots of this equation? So there will be, let's say, two eigenvalues, so minus b. Okay, let me write this here first. So based on this, we can write H11 plus H12 minus b square minus 4. A is 1, C is H11 H12 minus H12 square by 2, so divide by 2. So these are the eigenvalues. We can further simplify H11 plus H12 square minus 4 H11 H12 for square 1 square 2 square. Right, okay, these are the eigenvalues. Fine. So next is to find eigencats. So what were the equations that we had? We had this relation between alpha and beta, which is like this. So this is the relation between alpha and beta. And if I plug in any one of these values and say alpha is equals to 1, beta is equals to 1 over 1 by 2, let's say e plus minus h11, then the state that we want, let's say occurs I plus, alpha is 1, beta is equals to e plus minus h11 divided by h12. We can write it's combined as well.